The Kids Can program provides parents of students from kindergarten to second grade with an opportunity to play a more supportive role in the educational experience of their children. The program consists of a series of 3 classes that take place in the winter months. The classes introduce families to science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or STEM, and literacy concepts using a hands-on integrated approach. Families practice the 4 C's throughout the series: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. Previous Kids Can programs include Kids Can Code and Kids Can Create. During last year's Kids Can Create series, families explored the relationship between 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions, fostering the development of students' spatial reasoning. Students identified something meaningful, drew 2-dimensional views, and then built the 3-dimensional version using Legos. All the participants' 3-dimensional models became part of a larger collaborative for curriculum mosaic. Visit the CFC website to view all the completed projects. This year, families will participate in Kids Can Engineer, which explores the physical science of sound. Using the engineering design process, students will build a musical instrument using everyday objects. Class videos and a list of materials will be shared through the CFC website. Most of the materials can be found around the house. Families whose schools are part of CFC will have an opportunity to pick up materials for the program and participate in live sessions with their teachers. Look out for an email from your school with more information. We invite you to play along with us in this fun learning experience.